found turkey, chicken, even rabbit flavored baby food. Is that weird? And that's it for the Halloween stuff in the supermarket. There's so much cheese here, and that's not all the cheese. They actually have more cheese in other parts. Look at that. And of course you can get prosciutto. Over there, that's where they cut it. I want to get some. Gemona because a friend of ours is opening a telephone shop, so we're going to the opening and we're here driving. I wanted to also tell you what ended up happening with Too Faced, the Cocoa Powder Foundation. I still have it here, and basically I stuck with the golden light, and so then I tried it on my skin again. And they said that you could use it wet, so I tried it wet, and wet, do not ever use this foundation wet because it totally, like, it makes the surface of the powder hard and shiny and patchy, and I don't like that at all. And then I started to feel itchy. So that's what it looks like now. I don't know if you can see the shiny patch. I tried to get it off, but anyways. So it also kind of makes my skin itchy too. So I don't know. I don't think that this foundation is for me. I tried to return it here in the Udine Sephora, and they said, well, you used it, so you can't return it. And so I'm gonna try to not return it, but exchange it, and get a different powder, a different product from the Sephora that I bought it from. But I don't understand why they didn't let me exchange it, because if you're in the Sephora in Canada or the USA, if you're not satisfied, it's a lot easier to exchange products or return products. If you have a skin allergy or you just don't like the product, maybe it's too drying on your skin or whatever, you can still return it, but here they seems to be like in every store, not only Sephora here, a lot harder to return and exchange things, and just the customer service is different in Europe. So anyways, guys, do not use the Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation wet. I don't think that, and it didn't even offer full coverage wet anyway. It didn't offer more coverage than using the stippling brush. So I'm a bit sad about it because you spend it costs €32.90, and that's a lot. It costs more here than it costs in the US, and yet not happy with it and can't exchange it. Hopefully I can tomorrow. I'll talk to them more there, and hopefully I can exchange it and get something that I like. So yeah, look, we're passing a farm greenhouse area too.
Come to Eat Africa, guys. Yeah.
I feel like in these visit videos I'm not really being myself. Like if you look at my makeup videos, I think I'm funnier. I'm myself, and that's because I'm at home and it's just me and the camera, and I'm at home. And then when I'm out and there's people around, or even if Enrico's around, I don't know, I just get shyer. It's harder to be yourself. I don't know, when I'm out in public, I'm just more quiet and formal, and then when I'm alone, I'm just free. So that's the reason. There we are. You can kind of see. Oops. Gemona.
But look at the mountain.
Yeah.
It's a
You look.
fantastic mountain.
Yeah.
Look, that one is the most beautiful.
Here. That is the city of Gemona, no?
That
Enrico's gonna go get a glass of wine, not a glass, a bottle from La Nicchia Enoteca. Okay, so we bought a wine, and they have wines from all over the world actually, and they also have beer, and the price is really good. He got this one. It's from their own shop, La Nicchia.
it's a good Merlot.
It's a Merlot,
A good one, you know.
and it just says Vino Rosso on it from La Nicchia. So this is Gemona, and it's a small provincial town of 5,000 people. That's Gemona.
The one over the hill there.
Yeah, that's on the slope. Why did they build the town on a slope though? Isn't it dangerous if like rocks fall or something?
No. In the 1976 they died 1,000 from Gemona to Tolmez, but the most in Gemona.
But I don't understand why would
husband of my
they
aunt
build a town on a slope, because wouldn't there, if there's an avalanche, if something happens, wouldn't they all die?
But there's no avalanche, there is no water up.
But still, if it snows,
No, it doesn't snow.
if there's an earthquake and the mountain breaks, if there's so much, I don't know, but that
Guys,
seems
she thinks
dangerous.
we are in Jurassic Park, sorry.
Love get around my city.
Next, I want to try some of the sweets. In particular, I want to try that one. It looks good, right?
Why I still red memories being invited on day.
Oh, there's a priest inside to bless the shop. That's a first for me.
Don't get around much, don't get around much. Awfully different about you. Don't.
And we're right across from the Gemona bus station. Dun. Oops.
Possiamo dire due parole un attimo? Ah, aspetta, ecco, devo fare una promessa. Insomma, in questo periodo secondo me difficile, no? C'è tutto crisi, una roba nuova, un negozio che apre, secondo me è sempre una cosa positiva e va premiata a prescindere di come possa andare nel tempo, però è comunque un segno di positività e di voglia di fare di giovani, e non solo dei giovani, ma anche di qualche vecchietto che magari è in pensione ma dà una mano comunque ai giovani a fare. Grazie a tutti.
Sei arrivato?
Sono arrivati. Bellissimo. Ci siamo presi bene, dai.
Hai capito? Ciao ragazzi.
Oh, I came home and oh, I see this baby here outside waiting. Huh? She's a sweetie, she is. Take a moment, I see this little cat here, and she says hello. I don't know why she's so cute. She trusts me, so that's why she shows me her belly. Hi. I'm gonna give her my hand. Look at you. She's a kuji. Like seriously, she's not my cat, but look how she trusts me and she shows me her belly. She's so cute. Freyja is at home inside. She usually stays home if we go out, especially if we're gonna go out for a long while. She just stays at home. Maybe you can see better with the light on her. So cute. Bye. Like honestly, how do I say goodbye to this girl? She's so sweet. Like, have you ever seen a cat this affectionate? Have you ever seen a cat? Kuji. I do the kujis with cats and animals, even little kids. It's like kuji. You know what I mean?